Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 2 and day 3 of Writer's Workshop this week. You are going to need some materials to get started. You need your iPad and your timer, your pencil, crayons, your writing paper, and your purple Fix-It-Up checklist. Pause the video and get these materials. Let's review what an opinion is. When you give your opinion, you are telling others what you think or how you feel about something. There's 3 steps that you can take to do an opinion writing. Step 1, you have to think. Step 2, you have to decide. In step 3, you need to explain your opinion. For example, this child is thinking about their favorite apple. So they're thinking about it, they chose one, and then they're going to explain it in their writing. Let's look at this great example of an opinion writing. The title is Dogs. Dogs make good pets. They love to play and fetch balls. Dogs are very smart. That's a great opinion writing. As you can see in the first sentence, it states your opinion. I'm going to show you my writing. It says, what would you like to eat for a snack? I know yours talks about what would you rather have for a pet, but I'm going to model with a different paper so no one copies mine. As you can see, I did my topic sentence. I would like to eat a donut. I stated my opinion. What I want you to do now on your paper is state your opinion. What would you like to have as a pet? Now remember, I put mine in a full sentence. I would like to eat a donut. So I should see something like, I would like to have a lion as a pet, or I would like to have a fish as a pet. Go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to write your name first, and then I want you to state your opinion in your topic sentence. Go ahead. Welcome back. As you see in this example of an opinion writing, they stated their opinion in yellow. In purple, they have their first reason. So, they have to explain why dogs make good pets. And this author said they love to play and fetch balls. That's a great reason. Let me show you my reason. Remember my writing about donuts? I'm going to get into my first reason of why I would rather have a donut. Donuts taste very good. Let me get that Fix-It-Up checklist. Something doesn't look right. I think I did that kind of fast. Donuts taste very good. Now I remember in taste, if the A says its name, then there should be a magic E. Yeah, on my Fix-It-Up checklist, I definitely need to slow down and check my spelling. Because I know in my Erla room, I've learned a lot about vowel teams and digraphs and blends. I need to slow down and think about that again. Let me add an E to the word taste. There we go. Taste. And I remember my teacher told me that if a letter says E at the end of a word, it's actually a Y. Maybe I should fix that. There we go. Donuts taste very good. My teacher told me can be 2 O's. There we go. All right. I think I'm good. Let me check my Fix-It-Up checklist one more time. Uh-oh. I almost forgot my period. There we go. That Fix-It-Up checklist is great to use after every sentence you write. Pull that thing out so you can fix it. Here we go. Let's move on. I would like to eat a donut. Donuts taste very good. That's kind of boring. I think this needs a sparkle word. What's a better word for good? Donuts taste very good. That's boring. Donuts taste very, what do you guys think? Yummy? That's way more interesting. Now it's your turn to add your first reason. You should already have your opinion stated. Now I want you to add your first reason and use your Fix It Up checklist. After you're done, I want you to stop the video because you already have written 2 sentences. Now it's time to move on to something else. Tomorrow, when you scan this code again, I want you to fast forward to the stop sign and then you can continue your writing. Do your best. See you tomorrow. Hi boys and girls, welcome back to day 3 of your opinion writing. As you can see, we stated our opinion. We wrote our first reason. Now we're going to get into our second reason. So if you don't already have your writing paper, you need your writing paper, you need your pencil and your crayons, and your Fix It Up checklist. Pause the video and get those materials from yesterday. Okay, here we go. As you can see in my writing, I stated my opinion. I would like to eat a donut. My first reason says donuts taste very yummy. Now I'm getting into my last reason of why I would rather have a donut. Here we go. Donuts are, as you can see, my handwriting is very neat. I'm staying on the line. What do you think I'm going to say? Cool. Do you like that word? Sparkle word. Shh. Oh, shh, shh, shh. What 2 letters make me say shh? Shh. Oh yeah, SH. Ape. Ape. And I know if I said A, I have to add a magic E at the end. Donuts are a cool shape. Awesome, I just finished my second reason. What I want you to do is make sure you have your second reason and then use your Fix It Up checklist at the end. Go ahead, now it's your turn to do your second reason. Pause the video. Welcome back. Now that we've stated our opinion, we've done 2 reasons, now we're ready to do our closing sentence. And a closing sentence just summarizes what you just wrote about. So watch me. That is why I would, and I got the word would from up here, because that's a tricky one to spell. Rather have a donut. Perfect, I did my ending. Now I'm going to get my Fix It Up checklist and check everything that I need to check. Let me look at it one more time, make sure I'm not missing anything. I see that this already has a title for me, so I can check off that there's a title. I began all my sentences with an uppercase letter. I know I have finger spaces. I'm an expert at that. Punctuation. I can't remember if let me double check. See, I ended this sentence with a period, and this sentence, and this sentence. Uh-oh, forgot my last period at the end of my last sentence. There we go. I know for sure that I spelt my words correctly because I slowed down. I was going too fast in the beginning, but then I slowed down. My handwriting is beautiful. I for sure use descriptive words in my writing. Those sparkle words, look, I have 2 sparkle words. How many sparkle words do you have? And then all I have to do now, this last part, is just color in the donut. And then I'm done. I want you to go ahead and write your ending sentence, and then I want you to use your Fix It Up checklist to make sure your writing is beautiful, because tomorrow you're going to be doing some peer editing, and we'll talk all about that tomorrow. Have fun. Great job, guys.